Hello and welcome to WDG Automation. In this series of short videos, we will show you some of the WDG basics so you can get a taste of what can be done with this powerful automation tool. But first, we need to install WDG. And in order to do so, we need to access the WDG web client at app.wdgautomation.com. Now we need to log on to the web client by using our email and our password. If you have access to multiple tenants, you can choose which one you want to log on to here. Now that we've logged in, we can download the latest version of WDG Automation by clicking on the version number on the top right corner and then click on Download Installer. The setup.exe file should start downloading now. Once that's done, you can run the setup wizard. So let's start by choosing the language for the wizard. The next step is to choose the setup type. There are three types: typical, which installs the most common program features but will not include the WDG Studio; custom, which allows you to choose what you want to install; and complete, which installs every WDG feature, including WDG Studio. We'll proceed with the complete setup mode. Up next, we have the proxy configuration. In this step, you can set up the proxy configurations in case you're using one. Since we'll be not using a proxy, we'll just proceed to the next step. This is where we insert our WDG Automation license data, including the tenant code, the license ID, and the license password. We can also choose the region, which corresponds to which WDG server we'll use with this installation. The tenant code can be obtained from the web client by going to our profile page and checking the code under the tenant data section. After inserting all your license data, just click Install and the installation process will begin. This may take several minutes. After the installation is done, you can choose whether you want to restart the machine immediately or not. Now that WDG Studio is installed, we can start it by double-clicking the shortcut on our desktop. Now we just have to insert our login data, same as when accessing the web client, and we can finally start creating some bots. On the next video, you'll see the basics of bot creation using WDG Studio.